Well, do you know where we are? Do you know where we are? Glencar Waterfall. You haven't got a clue. You haven't got a clue. It doesn't matter, Willow. We're going for walkies. Now, legally you're banned, Pep, but we didn't see the sign, okay? You ran on and I had to go after you. As long as we have a wee cover story, Pep. We'll get the waterfall done first, then we'll check tourist information out then. The toilets there as well. But we got it, the cafe and all is closed for all, so all the day trippers are away now. That's how it covers in the way. Now we soundproof cover now is soaking wet, putting this in the water. So I don't want to stick it on yet because it's muffled the sound. There's so many signs here, all about Glencar Waterfall, beautiful Leitrim or whatever county it is. And it's not until you actually get here, park the car, cross the road and are about to go in, they have a sign saying no dogs. Because they're not warning folk long before they get here. But they're not dog friendly. Willow! Willow! Come on, honey. See, you try to sneak in and out, but it's hard sometimes with Willow. I County Leitrim, it's on the sign there. Yeah, she's not very good at doing stealth at times. Not when there's picnic tables and all about. Come on, honey. Well, this is a, I don't know. Come on. They have a one-way system here, but it goes up steps. Willow can't do a lot of steps. I'll not do the steps, Willow. There's a couple of dogs in these. There's no dogs allowed, so you reckon there is, you might as well do it properly. How then? Should not do nothing. Come on, Willow. Willow, you're going the wrong way. She's at the picnic tables. Willow, Mom. Safety rules. You see, why do they keep showing you pictures and pictures and pictures? We're here, we're going. You think they can stop showing the pictures? They must have had a job lot. They want their printers. We need a sign. And he said, well, I could do you 10 of them there for half the price if you want 10. Oh, I'll order the 10 then, good value for money. We'll stick them somewhere. Well, to do me head and out, Pet. This is supposed to be in and out. You know what I mean? Like, it's not zigzaggy. Once we've seen the waterfall, zigzag all you want. Because if they put us out, we're going out anyway. But we've got to see it before they put us out. So follow the arrows now. Look, see, wrong way back. Look. Follow the arrows. Not that way. Willow! Willow! You're not watching the arrows. Mum. You're like them more ones and I forgot the name of that last place now. Sandy Hill or something like that. The council put arrows on the streets and fuck can't foil them. So they want you to come back that way. No problem, come back that way. But for some reason they decide to send you up 20 steps just to come back down again. Like, what's it got up to 20 steps got to do with? They could have just kept it on the flat. Because it rules a lot of people out. Not everybody can go up 20 steps. This is all wheelchair accessible and everything else. No need for 20 steps. You see when we get up here now. Last time I was here, it was a very hot day. Never seen it before. I couldn't leave the pups in the car if I wanted to. So I compromised and put them on the lead. If a council boy came to me now to give me a penalty, if I don't tell my address, what can he do? Not a big lot. Right, well, what will that wee path up there, well? Fancy that's a wee wild animal one. Nice wee wooden bridge. There's lots of places with nice waterfalls, but they're always a handling to get there. This is easy. You park your car next to the wee cafe, you get your wee bun, and that gets you the energy to get up this wee hill. We're almost there, Willow. Almost there. You see, them steps straight in front go up through them trees and back down there. They could just put the path at the top of the hill if they wanted to. Why put you up there? This is the famous. Don't know when they first discovered this. Maybe caveman did, but he didn't put a sign on the main road. So this is the famous Glencar waterfall. You do a shampoo commercial underneath it. It's like something you get in a shopping centre. Aye, there's nobody here, Will. There's nobody here. I am probably totally mad doing this, like, but see, I wouldn't have done this, I only forgotten Glen the last day. That's all very well, me coming in here now, Will, but I have to swap hands. I can't go round the bridge like I did in Gorton. All that banking's propped up with stone cages. Right, well, I'll have to get back again now. This action camera is now doing action shots of my legs. See, you're never too old to be stupid, Will. You're never too old to do stupid things. There you are now, it's 340 million years old. I doubt that now. The rocks are 340 million years old. They're trying to make out their rocks as older than my rocks. All rocks are all the same age, we're standing on them. See, well, there's no point in you go up all them steps there. You know what, you have to go up the steps. Can you go up them wall? Right, I know, stay there, stay there, stay there. Probably the idea is to get you up the top of the waterfall. I'm coming back down again. You wait there, Pat. So maybe that's why they put the steps here. Get you closer. You need to come here in a flood. The noise will be deafening then. All that stuff there is pretty dry. That should be all dripping with water. There we are now, that's how it happened there. Harder rock, weaker rock. Makes a hole in it. Where's on the way? You see one of the walking down there? There's a wee candle. I don't think any point in walking down there, I don't see the advantage of it. As far as my bit of story goes.